We've all been there, waking up tired, struggling to focus, and feeling the effects of a restless night. But what if we told you that sleep isn't just about feeling rested? It's about keeping your brain healthy, sharp, and ready to take on the day. In the depths of sleep, a remarkable transformation occurs within the intricate landscape of your brain. It's not merely a state of rest, but rather an active process of renewal and rejuvenation. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of sleep science and uncover the profound impact it has on your cognitive function, emotional well-being, and overall health. Imagine your brain as a bustling city, alive with activity. As you go about your day learning and engaging, your neurons are constantly firing, creating pathways. But like any city, your brain needs time to repair. That's where sleep comes in. During sleep, your brain transitions into a different mode. Sleep clears out metabolic waste products that accumulate. It acts like a nightly cleansing ritual, leaving your brain refreshed. Sleep isn't a monolithic state, but rather a carefully orchestrated cycle of distinct stages, each playing a crucial role in brain health and cognitive function. Throughout the night, your brain cycles through these stages multiple times, like a conductor leading an orchestra of neural activity. One of the most important stages for memory consolidation is slow wave sleep, also known as deep sleep. During this stage, your brain waves slow down and your breathing and heart rate become more regular. It's in this deep slumber that your brain works tirelessly to transfer memories from short-term to long-term storage, solidifying what you've learned and experienced during the day. Another crucial stage is REM sleep, characterized by rapid eye movements, vivid dreams, and increased brain activity. While the exact function of REM sleep is still a topic of ongoing research, it's believed to play a vital role in emotional regulation, creativity, and the integration of new information into existing knowledge networks. In today's fast-paced world, achieving consistently restful sleep can feel like an elusive goal. But thankfully, we have access to powerful tools that can help us unlock the secrets of our sleep patterns and make informed decisions to improve our sleep quality. Sleep trackers provide personalized insights into your sleep architecture, giving you a detailed report on how much time you spend in each sleep stage, total sleep duration, your heart rate variability, and other key metrics. Think of it as having a sleep laboratory at your fingertips. By wearing a sleep tracker, you're essentially gathering data on your sleep patterns every night, revealing hidden patterns and potential areas for improvement. This data empowers you to take control of your sleep and make adjustments to your lifestyle and sleep environment to optimize your rest. Imagine stepping into your bedroom and it instantly transforms into a sanctuary for rest. The temperature is cool, the air is fresh, and the only light comes from a dim lamp. Your mind quiets as you slip into comfortable pajamas, leaving the stresses of the day behind. Creating an optimal sleep environment signals to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. One of the most important factors to consider is light exposure. As the sun sets, our bodies produce melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Artificial light from devices can disrupt melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Dim the lights an hour or two before bed and avoid screen time. Let's talk about the pillars of sleep hygiene. Think of these as simple habits for better rest. In addition to optimizing your sleep environment, establishing a consistent sleep schedule is paramount for regulating your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, known as your circadian rhythm. Just like a finely tuned orchestra, relies on each musician to play their part at the right time. Your body thrives on predictability when it comes to sleep. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends, helps reinforce your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Another pillar of good sleep hygiene is ensuring you're getting enough exercise during the day. Physical activity not only benefits your physical health, but also promotes deeper, more restful sleep. However, it's best to avoid strenuous exercise close to bedtime, as it can make it harder to fall asleep. So tonight, pay attention to your sleep. Use your sleep tracker to guide you. Implement these tips and make rest a priority. Your brain will thank you. With the right habits and tools, better sleep isn't just a dream, it's your new reality. If you found this helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on optimizing your health and well-being. Sleep well.